Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Starting it a little bit different, and we're going to be doing something that we haven't done for a long time. Stay tuned. Did you guess it, guys? Yep. Wreckers Run. Let's go. Wreckers Run. But why are we going to the Wreckers? Is it for the Skyline or for the Fuzz? It's for the Fuzz, guys. Alright boys, we are at Pick Apart. Also, Pick Apart have $50 all you can carry on Good Friday, 9 AM to midday. By the look of it, only. All processes go to the Royal Children's Hospital. It's freaking awesome. So, what I've seen people do before: get a bonnet, seatbelts around their neck, around the bonnet, and just load up the bonnet. I think you have to walk like 10 meters with everything. They still do that. So yeah, come down Good Friday, $50. Damn, you could even get an engine if you can carry it. Page 6. Money! Jeez, I don't mind the look of this. H6 Liberty. It's an auto. How good would it be if it was a manual? Anyways, I can't pop the bonnet because the latch is not connected. I reckon somebody's playing some funny buggers. Disconnected it from the other end so now we can get the H6. Why did we come to the Wreckers? Check out some drive shafts. You've heard it. Let's have a look. Well, it's dripping oil. Whoop. Someone's taken the headers. Must have been aftermarket. Steering sort of boot's got a tear in it. That's also that I need. This one looks okay, bit old. Let's see how the plays in the drive shafts. Alright guys, they aren't the best. They aren't the best. It's pretty messy under here as well. Let's go have a look at another one. Forester, pet owners. It's looking pretty complete. Formats, which I don't know. Lots of French fries, keys even. Shit boys, look at that. It's got a sunroof. I haven't seen one with a sunroof in here before. Oh. That would be mint. So that's actually what my key should look like. Somebody's taking the headers off this one too. Drive shafts. Dirty. Oh, that's a wheel. A little bit of play. So guys, I'm filming on my iPhone if you didn't notice. This right one on the O1 is pretty good. The one on the left, not so good. Boots, good. I don't have any tools here today, guys, so I have to come back to this. Don't steal it, guys. Not like last time. Pretty sure that is not normal. Let's investigate. Just found this in the boot. It's like a gas line. Weird. And here's the other end. I wonder what was in here. Bit of wiring with it. What the hell? Hi guys, spent probably about an hour here at Pick Apart. What do you reckon? New car, Beetle, $1,400. Oh, it's got 225,000 Ks. No reg or roadworthy. What a rip! Subaru engine. So I was here for drive shafts. I found one, probably out of the 3 Foresters. I could probably get them off other Subarus. I really wanted to have a look at the H6, but I guess somebody took the cable off the latch in the engine bay and closed it because can't get into it. Could see through from the inner guard. There were some gears and whatnot sitting around, like a cam or something. That might have been from a different car. But yeah, it's about 3 o'clock now, so I'm going to go and head over to Marley's school to pick him up. Pretty short one today, guys. Got a couple of big ones coming up. So stay tuned for that, guys. Hope you liked this episode, and if you did, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.